Welcome to Question the Expert Show. I am your host Partha Mishra. A small request before we start this video. The length of this video will be somewhere around 12 to 15 minutes. I have put 2 to 3 weeks of efforts only to get out this video. Every video, whatever we do, it involves a doctor. And amidst this corona situation, how tough is it to get connected with a doctor? I'm very grateful to have one of the doctor in neurosurgeon. So we'll be discussing more about the movement disorder, mainly Parkinson's and other diseases, the cure and all those things. But make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. This video might help someone who is in need, who is not aware of this treatment. This video is so disheartening. When I got this video from the doctor, I literally felt bad. The movement disorders, the quality of life of a normal human being before the disease and after the disease it cannot be comparable. Someone getting in the jitters, someone getting those tremors, someone not able to walk, who was playing, who was doing all those physical activities, not able to do all those things. It's pretty sad to see. I'm sure you would have seen some patients either in your family, or you would have encountered some patients in your past or somewhere out there. This neurodegenerative brain disorder disease is on high rise. As per the World Health Organization and Parkinson Foundation, 10 million of patients are affected by this specific disease globally. Yes, Parkinson disease has affected more than 10 million of patients. Guys, let's discuss few high-level inputs on what exactly the Parkinson disease holds on. Which gender has more prone to this disease? If you compare with female, male are 1.5 times more prone to this disease. Yes, that's the true thing as per the Parkinson Foundation analysis and statistics. The second question is, let's discuss more about the patient, whatever they are asking me on the phone. They ask me, what, Partha, none of my family members have Parkinson. None of my close members have Parkinson. Why did I get it? Unfortunately, 5 to 7% of the patients who get Parkinson disease get it from their very close family members or the history prevailing in the family. Hey, by the way guys, if you're seeing this video and if you don't know me, my name is Partha Mishra and I'm the founder of a company, Enkel. This is the next generation artificial intelligence driven medical treatment company which helps international patients to get treated in the specific strategic partner we have. We also help them to understand for their specific disease which doctors or which hospitals are the right choice. So we have facilities in India, in Thailand, in South Korea, and where else in Thailand. So going back to this video guys, please do not forget to subscribe. We are putting a lot of efforts to make you guys aware. Someone might get help from this video. Let's discuss about the age this Parkinson disease affects. Below 19 years it's not seen. The Parkinson disease, it's not seen. 19 to 40 years, it's very rare. Very few people might get in that range. Let's come to 40 to 60. 40 to 60 years is such critical, where we are seeing right now patients coming up more and more, the Parkinson disease. More than 60, yes, it's very common. 1% of the whole population in the world are expected to get Parkinson's who are more than 60 years. The ratio goes to 5% if someone is age 85 years. Let's discuss about what is the cure for Parkinson's disease, if any, or is there any treatment that can help control the Parkinson's disease? Modern medicines have developed a huge, to a different level. Right now it's all prescription based, precision based medicines. Initial stage of Parkinson's disease, modern medicine has the potential to control those side things, tremors and all those things. But as the disease aggravates, modern medicine cannot help alone. It can't be helped alone. It really needs some other thing to control the disease. So guys, what are the other things that I said which helps to either cure or control the the Parkinson's disease, which is in a different, little on a higher level? On my last episode, if you guys have seen the video, I have discussed on stem cells. Yes, stem cells is one of the treatment which is helpful for regeneration of your brain dead cells. That is one part. I will share the link in the below description about the stem cells that we have discussed. But today we will be discussing more about the deep brain stimulation surgery. What exactly it is, how does it help, and till what time does it help, all those things. Guys, I'm very fortunate to get these videos from Dr. Anirban Deep Banerjee, the senior consultant neurosurgeon at Medanta Hospital. He has helped more than thousands of people when it comes to deep brain stimulation surgery to control the Parkinson's disease, tremors and all those things which are on the different level.
Parkinson's disease जो बीमारी है वो एक लंबे टाइम तक चलने वाली एक ब्रेन की बीमारी होती है, where there is a gradual degeneration or decay or death of some cells in the brain which produce an engine oil-like substance known as dopamine. As of now, we do only around 200 to 250 cases all over India in a year, and we should be doing in thousands, because with a normal estimate around 30 to 40 patients per lakh in India suffer from Parkinson's, and 10% of that become refractory. They will need surgery. So if you extrapolate, lakhs and lakhs of patients are there who can benefit because of lack of awareness and a finance factor. So newer and newer diseases are coming into the fold of this brain pacemaker surgery. Only need is awareness, and once the awareness increases, the number of surgeries will increase, and then with that the price will come down.
I was saying, a lot of my patients ask me that, Partha, if we are going for the specific deep brain stimulation surgery, if we are in somewhere in US or UK or in Africa, how the doctor can help us to control the transmitter, the stimulator, because we are in a different continent, you are in a different continent.
The main thing is the technology, which is wireless. The wireless technology is the game changer. So now I am putting the stimulator off. And we can see that the tremor has come back immediately. Right?
И голова сразу такая пьяная, волна.
So now I'm again putting the stimulator on. And the tremor has immediately stopped. So the patient is getting significant relief with the help of a brain pacemaker in terms of his resting tremor due to intractable Parkinson's disease.
Guys, please look into this specific video. This is a video wherein after the surgery, the patient which I showed in the starting of the video, this is the video after the surgery. It's so fantastic, to see the patients are having control, coming back to the normal life. Patients are going back into swimming, running, enjoying all those things, having food on their own hands. This is a fantastic thing which we are seeing right now. And there's also few questions which has been asked, like which are the medical devices that are helpful, how long does the battery hold. There are a lot of great companies who have been approved by the FDA, like Medtronic, Boston Scientific. You have Abbott, you have few other companies which have fantastic wireless devices which helps. It all depends on the option you go in. Few have 3 to 5 years, few have 15 to 20 years, few have some other options. It's always better to discuss these things with your doctor before you take the surgery. And if you have any requirement, guys, when I say requirement is if you have tried other things and you're not getting any success, I am saying, guys, I have seen personally few of my patients getting better, getting back to the normal life. Deep brain stimulation surgery is the best treatment that is available for Parkinson's disease to be controlled. Yes, it is a treatment which we are controlling the disease, we are not curing it. For curing the Parkinson's, you can always reach out to me. There is also a treatment available known as stem cells, wherein we have seen a lot of patients getting better. Few patients have the myth that stem cells are not approved by the FDA, and they would love to go with some treatment those are available by FDA and which doctor recommends. This is the best surgery that I have seen which helps you to get back to your life. Guys, this is Partha. I am with Question the Expert Show. Please do like, share and subscribe. Click on that notification button so that whenever any videos we upload, you get aware of those specific videos. Do not hesitate to send your reports, your small videos if you are affected by Parkinson's, essential tremors and other things.